A bosom friend, often simply referred to as a best friend, is a person who holds a unique and cherished place in someone's life. This term originates from the notion that such a friend is so close that they are as dear and intimate as if they were connected at the heart or shared the same bosom. The concept of a bosom friend goes beyond the superficiality of casual friendships, transcending mere acquaintanceship to encompass a deep and profound connection. Bosom friends are individuals with whom you share a bond that goes beyond the surface-level interactions of everyday life. They are the people who know you better than anyone else, understanding your thoughts, feelings, and idiosyncrasies. In essence, they are your confidants, the ones you turn to in times of joy, sorrow, or uncertainty. One of the defining characteristics of a bosom friend is trust. You have complete confidence in their loyalty, knowing that they will keep your secrets and stand by your side through thick and thin. This trust forms the bedrock of the relationship, allowing you to be your true self without fear of judgment or betrayal. Bosom friends offer unwavering support and companionship. They are there to celebrate your successes and provide comfort during your failures. They offer a listening ear when you need to vent, and their presence alone can provide solace in times of distress. This unwavering support creates a sense of security and belonging that is invaluable. Another hallmark of a bosom friend is shared experiences. Over time, you accumulate a wealth of memories together, from childhood adventures to adult milestones. These shared experiences create a tapestry of history that strengthens the bond and provides a rich reservoir of inside jokes, stories, and nostalgia. Communication in a bosom friendship is open and honest. You can discuss your hopes, dreams, and fears without reservation, knowing that your friend will provide sincere feedback and understanding. This transparency promotes personal growth and emotional well-being, as it allows you to confront your vulnerabilities and gain insights into yourself. A bosom friend is also a source of inspiration and encouragement. They believe in your potential and motivate you to pursue your goals. They challenge you to be the best version of yourself and provide a source of motivation when you face obstacles or self-doubt. In times of adversity, a bosom friend is a pillar of strength. They offer a shoulder to cry on, a hand to hold, and a heart that empathizes with your pain. Their unwavering support can make even the most challenging circumstances bearable. In conclusion, a bosom friend is a rare and precious gift in life. This deep and meaningful relationship is characterized by trust, unwavering support, shared experiences, open communication, inspiration, and resilience in the face of adversity. Such friends are the people who enrich our lives, make us better individuals, and provide a sense of belonging that is unparalleled. Cherishing and nurturing these special connections is essential, as they bring immeasurable joy and fulfillment to our journey through life.